Okay, this is Brian. I am now recording. I'm inside Google Drive. I'm on an iPhone. It might be different on an Android. So I open Drive. I go to the folder 70 images. So 70 images. Now I see these, and you can click this and look at it different ways. But I want to see like thumbnails. So I'm going to click this little three dots, and I'm going to choose send copy, send a copy. And I'm going to choose buffer. So it copies the image from Google Drive to buffer. Now I already have my notes, so you'll see I have my notes open right there. I've already copied my notes of my hashtags, what I want to paste. So I'm going to just paste it. Hit done. I'm inside buffer. Now this picture on the top left, I'm going to click it, and I'm going to make sure it has all profiles selected. So see, it checked all three, hit done. So now it's going to share to all three networks. I'm going to hit share. I'm going to hit add to queue. That's it. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go to Drive. I'm going to find an image. I'm going to click the three dots. So click the three dots next to the description. And I'm going to click send a copy. Send a copy to buffer. I'm going to paste my content. I'm going to hit the picture on the top. I'm going to click all profiles, checked all three, hit done. I'm going to hit done. I'm going to hit share, and I'm going to click add to queue. So I'm filling up the buffer. So just keep doing it. Send a copy to buffer. It's pretty simple. Paste all profiles, done, share, add to queue. That is how you fill up the buffer. Send a copy. This is from Google Drive. The buffer, paste, all profiles, done, done, share, add to queue. So I have been putting pictures into buffer. Send a copy, buffer, paste, all profiles, done, done, share, add to queue. Now I'm going to share one. Send a copy right now to buffer, paste, all profiles, done, done, share. I'm going to say share now instead of add to queue. Share now. Okay, that's it. So that is how